is the candies and lollipops I've been preparing for our event. So hubby made a case like this. It's not yet sanded off and painted, but when he comes back from work, he will finish it. Oh, done. Applying wall putty. Sand it off and paint it white. Yan na po. Meron na kaming dali plastic ay eco bag. Magbabalot lang kami, guys. So, my son and I bought cupcakes, candies. This is the second batch of the sweets that we bought for my son's birthday and for the International Clown Day celebration. So, he's there. Carry. Hi there. These are the cupcakes, wafers, ice cream mallows, and different types of candies that are gonna wrap for the loot bags that we're gonna give away. And then we will add some like this and some marshmallows for games like that. There you go. Okay, we are already packing the cupcakes and candy. There you go. Meron kayo, meron. Dali. Oh, dito na kayo. Kunin nyo kayo tikuani para bukas.
Ano ba sila dito? Siya ito?
Nga.
Walang
Okay guys, this is the morning of our event. Kids are lining up for their stubs. Yan. For the food stub.
Bibi, kumukulit ko yan. O, doon sa labas.
Yung iba kasi na... Doon kayo, picture kayo dali. Take a picture. 3 o'clock ang ano natin 3 o'clock. Pag umulan ng 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Yung iba ba't ba wala ng card yung iba, Quine? Kaya so these are the kids that will help us decorate for the event. Ayan. They just had coffee. Hi! Say hi! Ano, Happy New Year agad? Panin ko dito. Pwede ka meron ko naman.
Ilang mo yun. Ilang ginawa ko?
8 lang. Ito magkapares yan, o yan. Sa isang ng table. Basta yung sa isang table, dalawa, pantay dapat yung bakal.
Ito, paano ba ito po?
Okay, mag-aano tayo ng magte-train tayo ng maraming tao. Tauhan. And I am done putting on glitters for yan ang ating cooler for our juice. This is going to be our juices. Hi gang.
Hi.